How to enable two-factor authentication on Steam. To enable two-factor authentication on Steam, first of all, you have to download the Steam application from your Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Once you open it, you simply have to now log into your Steam account. Then tap the three horizontal menu icon or go to the sealed icon tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the Steam Guard and then select the Add Authenticator option. Now you simply have to enter your phone number if prompted. Steam will send SMS code to your device. You can find this SMS code from your Messages application. From here, you simply have to copy that code, then paste it onto the Steam application. Now you simply have to write down the recovery code displayed on the screen. This is crucial for receiving or retrieving your account if you lose your phone. So once you go through all of these steps, your mobile authenticator will be enabled. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.